SimOptions Review. Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. SimOptions isn't just another trading platform. You won't believe how it makes options trading accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's overly complicated or expensive, but the surprising truth is SimOptions focuses on clarity, education, and cost-effective access to options strategies. Pricing starts with a free demo account that allows you to practice options trading with virtual funds. This is perfect for beginners who want to learn without risking real money. For live trading, accounts start at per month, which includes access to options strategies, real-time data, and advanced trading tools. Most people overlook the fact that this subscription also grants access to webinars, strategy guides, and daily market insights that can help you make smarter trades. SimOptions supports multiple asset classes and provides visual strategy builders that simplify complex options positions. You won't believe how much easier it becomes to model risk, potential profit, and loss compared to traditional broker platforms. There's also an emphasis on education. Step-by-step tutorials and expert commentary are included, making it ideal for traders who want to level up their skills. In conclusion, SimOptions pricing reflects both the software tools and educational resources it provides. For traders seeking an affordable, comprehensive way to understand and execute options strategies, it offers significant value. By combining practice accounts, expert insights, and a user-friendly interface, SimOptions helps you trade confidently while minimizing risk.